Na-stamp na yung passport natin. That's the concert hall.
Ito yung luggage mo.
Come and go explore Taipei with me. Hey goers, it's me, Cam. Nandito tayo ngayon sa NAIA Terminal 1 because we're flying to Taiwan. Time check, nakapunta tayo dito na 3:30. Mag-check-in muna tayo. Dito kami pumila sa special assistance area kasi may kasama kami mga senior. Punta na tayong immigration. It's 3:46 a.m. So mga 10 minutes lang naman tayo sa check-in. Hello goers, time check. It's 4:03. So tapos na tayo sa immigration. Mga 30 minutes lang naman doon. Kain muna tayong breakfast. Mamaya i-discuss ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga tinanong sa amin. Na-serve naman yung breakfast natin in 5 minutes. Dalawang chicken sandwich, isang tuna sandwich, isang ham and cheese croissant, dalawang cappuccino. Tapos hingi lang kami ng extra cup for water. Time check 4:27 a.m. So 6 o'clock pa yung boarding natin. Hey goers! So kakatapos lang namin kumain ng breakfast. So kanina, mabilis lang yung check-in ng mga baggage. Parang mga 30 minutes lang dito sa Terminal 1. Unlike pag sa Terminal 3, mas mahaba yung pila. Or baka kasi maaga pa din. And then, after nun, immigration na tayo. Pero, parang nauna yung TSA or yung baggage security check before yung sa interview sa immigration kasi parang ginagawa pa yung area doon. Dun sa immigration, nabilis lang din. Parang mga 30 minutes lang kami doon. So, kasama pala natin yung parents ko. Si mami, si papa, si husband. So, may kasama kami dalawang senior pero walang parang priority lane doon kasi ginagawa pa yung area. So, for the immigration question sa akin, ang tanong is saan nag-work? Kay husband, ang tanong is saan punta? Saan nag-work and kailan yung balik? Kay mami, ang tanong kung saan nag-work, kung government employee, tsaka kailan ang balik. Tapos kay papa, ang tanong kung anong work. Yun lang din. 3 hours before the flight tayo umalis ng bahay. So currently it's 4:43. May time pa naman to chill.
Check lang natin yung Mabuhay Lounge.
Dito sa Mabuhay Lounge, pwede yung mga business class or elite members ng PAL. So, dito yan sa 4th floor. So, economy lang tayo. So, baba na tayo ulit. Para hindi tayo nagsisiksikan dun sa bungad, meron din ditong mga upuan. Dito sa gate 9 yung Marhaba Lounge. So, if eligible yung credit cards nyo, dito yun. Ito yung mga credit cards na eligible. So, if you have one of the following cards, then you can chill dito sa Marhaba Lounge. So, Amex, Security Bank, World, Corporate, AUB Platinum. Hey goers! Kape tayo. Dito yung Pugs Lounge sa kabilang side. So, those are the eligible cards. Union Bank. This is A Lounge T1. You can pay. They accept Visa, MasterCard, credit cards, Alipay, GCash. Dito malapit sa gate 2, we have yung A Lounge and then dito din yung Pugs Premium Lounge. It's different from the Pugs dun kanina. Yan. So dito yun sa gate 2, maraming lounge.
Pwede kayo magdala ng empty tumblers, then refill nyo na lang dito after sa baggage security check.
Doon tayo guys sa PR Di ko masyado maturo pero PR890 bound for Taipei, gate 6. On time naman. So yung flight natin is at 6:45 pero boarding natin is at 6.
If you need to be reseated, please inform our cabin crew now.
Time check goers at 6:12 a.m. On time naman yung boarding natin. Before 6, nagtawag na sila for boarding. Enjoy free entertainment on your device. Meron silang sariling network where you can connect. Scan natin yung QR code. Ayan. So, wala kasi siyang in-flight entertainment screen dito. Pero, you can connect sa intranet nila. Though wala tong internet connection, no? It's more on para makanood ng movies, TV shows. Lutuin natin yung movies. Ayan. So, may mga movies dito. Meron ding mga audio. So, entertainment, audio, ayan, mga albums dito, pop, hip-hop, yan. Before 6, nagtawag na sila mag-boarding. Inuna yung mga business class, then yung may mga with kids and elderly. So, yeah. Tulog muna kami. Hello, viewers. So, time check. 7:40 a.m. and nag-serve sila ng meal. Ang options ay chicken and hash brown and beef with rice. So I chose yung chicken. Chicken and sausage. Ayan. And for the juice, orange juice, tapos meron ding dried mangoes and utensils. Then, yung sa beef, then apple juice and dried mangoes. And it came with water. Let's eat. Okay, goers. Time check. 8:38 a.m. On time naman yung flight. Then, pa-landing na tayo in a few minutes. Hindi ko pala nasabi kung magkano yung flight, round trip flights namin. So, lalagay ko na lang dito sa baba. Pero, binook namin siya parang 2 weeks na lang before the flight. So, today is March 26, Thursday. And we will stay in Taiwan for 5 days and 4 nights. Yan, malapit na tayo mag-landing. Kita na natin yung lupa. Hello, goers. We have landed in Taipei. Maligayang pagdating. Mabilis lang yung flight. Parang wala pang 2 hours. Before 6:45, nag-start na mag-taxi yung plane. Tapos past 7, nag-take off na siya. And sinerve yung food mga 7:30. Tapos natapos kumain ng 8. Tapos ngayon, nandito na tayo sa Taipei. Wala pang 9, nandito na tayo. So yeah, welcome to Taipei. When you arrive in Taiwan, you have to fill out your Taiwan arrival card. Pero online naman siya. So libre lang yun. Lalagay ko dito sa baba yung link for the Taiwan arrival card. Pero meron din naman ata silang binibigay na physical papers na pwedeng i-fill out doon. Pero it will be more convenient if na-accomplish yun na yung form online para dire-diretso na lang later. Okay guys, ito yung bag natin. Manila PR890 Carousel 3. So it's official guys, we made it past immigration. And nandito na tayo ngayon sa baggage claim, Carousel 3. So So before dire-diretso lang naman yun from arrival. So first meron ulit parang scanner, bag scanner para i-check if meron mga meat products kasi bawal yun. So make sure when entering Taiwan, wala kayong mga dalang meat products, ganun. Para hindi na rin kayo ma-hassle. And then after that, dire-diretso immigration. So wala naman tinanong, papakita lang yung passport. And yeah, that's about it. Para mga 30 minutes lang din, mabilis lang naman. So, hintayin na lang natin yung bags natin dito sa baggage claim number 3. After makuha yung luggage, dun sa may customs. But if you have nothing to declare, dire-diretso lang. First things first, let's withdraw. There's a Bank of Taiwan here na ATM. So, withdraw tayo. We're using yung GoTime para lower conversion rate.
Please insert card or press 1, blah blah. Please wait while reading card. Choose English as language. Please select service, credit, international card. Please wait. Enter your PIN. Processing. Withdrawal.
Savings. So, withdraw tayo ng $10,000. Tapos check natin later kung magkano yung charge. 10,000 NTD muna for now. Yay! Thank you! Nag-withdraw na tayo, then i-claim natin yung mga Klook packages that we availed. Ito yung mapa niya. So, I think we're on the right track kasi ando na yung subway. And then there's a bank there. So, yun na yung sa may Klook. So, puntahan natin to redeem yung mga voucher. We're in line to claim our pocket Wi-Fi and EC cards. We have redeemed our EC cards. Each merong 400 Taiwan dollar na balance. And then, yung pocket Wi-Fi natin that came with a charger, yung mismong unit, 1.61 terabyte. So, I guess daily. Then, ito lang siguro instruction manual. So, yun. I will add dito sa baba yung price nung mga nakuha namin sa Klook. Then, meron pa rin kami in-avail na eSIM, pero automatic na siya.
online siya.
Online naman siya. So, yeah. Yung na-withdraw dun sa ATM kanina, nag-withdraw tayo ng 10 Taiwan dollars and yung nabawas sa GoTime is almost 19K. Nakapag-withdraw pala muna tayo, then niredeem na natin yung Klook na EC card and pocket Wi-Fi. So ngayon, punta na tayo sa redemption ng MRT. Dito pala yung mga tax refund. So kapag uwi, magpa-tax refund tayo. Ito, Taoyuan Airport MRT. Thank you. Dito sa baba yung MRT. Okay. So ito, A12 Airport Terminal 1 Station. Nag-book tayo ng Airport Express para dire-diretso na tayo pa city. This is like yung sa Hong Kong na may express train din.
I-redeem lang ni Hubs dito yung ticket.
We booked round trip tickets kaya 8 pieces. So, tago muna natin yung 4 pag uwi na to. Ito, goers. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa A12. So, dito tayo sa Purple. Dito tayo pupunta sa Taipei Main Station. Dito tayo sa A12. Terminal 1 is A12. Tapos A1 yun sa Taipei Main Station. So, doon muna tayo kasi we'll drop off our luggage sa hotel para while we visit the city, konti lang yung dala natin. I think every 7 minutes naman dumadating yung train. Kakalabas lang namin ng train. So, it took mga 40 minutes then from A12, which is yung Terminal 1, to A1, which is itong Taipei Main Station. So, dito tayo. Let's take an elevator. Dun tayo sa Banan Line. Paglabas nyo, ready nyo na to. Okay. Aakyat tayo to Banan Line, pero let's take the elevator na lang. Yung sa blue, yun yung commuter train, then yung purple, yung express train. Mas mabilis pag express train. Yung commuter train, marami pa siyang stops. Sa express train, it took us 40 minutes. Yun tayo sa Banan Line. Let's take the elevator going down. Sakay tayo ng isang station to Ximen. So, ready na natin yung easy card. Medyo mahaba lang yung lalakarin kasi we opted na mag-train lang ng tuloy-tuloy instead na mag-bus. So, ganito din gagawin nyo if papunta kayong Ximending area from Taipei Main Station na puro train. Andito tayo ngayon sa 12. So, yung BL11 pa Ximen. Okay. Time check, 11:14 a.m. Pababa na tayo. Dito na tayo sa Ximen Station. So, B11. BL11. From here, we will walk to our hotel. Our accommodation is Ferrari Hotel. So, mukhang kailangan natin tong akyatin. Pero we're checking if may elevator, no? Pero if wala, we have to climb the stairs. Dito siya, sa tabi ng Crimea. So, akyat tayo. Yes, we made it sa stairs. So, wala na elevator doon banda. Kaya we had to take the stairs. So, we're now here in Ximen Station. Ganda ng weather, it's cloudy. Hindi rin masyado malamig. Pero hindi naman like mainit, like Philippine init. From here, lalakaran lang natin yung Ferrari Hotel. Sabi sa description, si Ferrari Hotel is only a 10-minute walk from Ximen Station. So, kaya na siya. Ayun yung pedestrian crossing, kita niyo ba? Medyo hindi kasi siya kita dun sa kabilang side. Hotel check-in is at 3 p.m. It's still early, so iwan lang natin yung luggage. Isang kanto na lang after this. Ito lagi yung route natin coming from Ximen Station. But it will be easier in the coming days kasi wala na tayong maleta. So ngayon, iwan lang natin yung maleta sa hotel. Okay, we finally made it. Ferrari Hotel. Yeah.
4 nights, 2 rooms, right?
Yes. Is it okay if the rooms are close to each other?
Yeah.
Okay.
Please leave your email address.
Mhm.
Yeah.
One, two, three, five.
5.
Yep.
5. Sorry, 5.
Yes. We left our luggage doon. So, nandun yung luggage namin. Yung reception naman nila is 24 hours. Maglilibot-libot muna kami. 11:49 a.m. And ito yung lobby nila. Hello, goers. So, lumabas muna tayo ng hotel. Sa 3 p.m. pa yung check-in. So, lunch muna tayo sa Malahatpat. Ito yung mga beef, may Wagyu, USDA Prime. Ayan. Okay, so in-assist naman kami pagpasok namin, table for 4. Then binigyan kami nitong QR code and we chose yung Prime Wagyu. So upon scanning the QR code, na-redirect kami dito sa page. So you can choose between yung mga price set. So ito yung dining time, tsaka last order time. So maximum of 2 hours. So dito kami yung 798. So i-add to cart natin 1 each muna sa ngayon. Ayan. Okay. Submit order. Yan. Your meal has been delivered and is being prepared. So, first time namin dito sa Malahatpat. Let's learn together. Okay. Tingin sa mga sauce, pampalasa ng mga soup siguro. Ayan siya. Chocolate drink and golden selection milk tea. Soft drinks and juice.
Tofu,
Spicy mango tofu.
spicy duck blood.
Dog blood. Angus beef curry rice. Sukiyaki beef donburi. Braised pork rice. So, rice pala itong mga to. Ito, white rice. Okay. And then, coffee. Coffee machine. Yan. Yung mga pork cuts. Ito yung mga beer. Ito yung seafood. Tsaka pang sahog din sa sabaw. More beer. And then, alcoholic beverages. Then, ito yung ice cream section. Favorite, Häagen-Dazs. Yung payment pala dito, cash only basis. Yung total bill is 3,512. Apat kami. Si mami, si papa, tsaka si husband. Yan. So, tara, kain tayong ice cream. So, yung payment dito, pumunta na lang yung parang server or yung staff. Tapos, binigay sa amin to. Parang after 1 hour namin dumating. Tapos, yun, nagbayad na kami ng cash. Okay, Demon Slayer. Skechers. We're in Ximending. New Country Unlocked. Hello, goers. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Taipei Rainbow. Then, we're going to Chiang Kai-shek. So, pupunta tayo dun sa Ximen Station via 6. Ayan. Doon tayo sa Green Line. Dito tayo pasok sa entrance 6. Dito tayo sa 6 nag-exit kanina instead of 1 para may elevator. Kasi binuhat natin yung mga luggage. We're now here at G12, color green, dito sa Ximen Station. Nakalabas na tayo sa Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Station and we're going to exit 5. Oh, still. Cute. Artwork ng mga kids. Okay, we're out. Okay, ikot tayo. Okay, goers, we made it here in Chiang Kai-shek, Taiwan. Quick trivia time lang that Chiang Kai-shek was the first president of the Republic of China. So this landmark was built in his memory. So dito yung National Theater. So yung building na yan, yung National Theater. Then itong kabila, that's the concert hall. So baka malito kayo, almost similar kasi yung itsura ng buildings. So theater, concert hall, and andun yung memorial. Chiang Kai-shek Memorial. And ito naman yung archway. Kita na dito yung Taipei 101 goers. Ayun siya. If kita nyo yan. Yan. Taipei 101. Yan yung next natin puntahan later. Maganda yung steps nila dito. Paakyat ng main hall. Kasi hindi siya ganun kataas. Tsaka uniform siya. Ito yung view. Yan. They're open until 6 p.m. Baka nika-close nila yung area na to after 6 p.m. Hello goers, we're back here in Chiang Kai-shek Station. So, doon naman tayo sa red line papuntang Taipei 101. We are now at Taipei 101 station. We saw a dog in the train inside the bag. So, pwede pala yung dogs dito sa metro nila. May mga comfort rooms dito. Ayan. So, malinis naman yung mga comfort rooms nila dito sa mga stations. I think from here, lalakarin na lang yung Taipei 101. So, let's come and go to Taipei 101. So, dito sa Google, ang sabi, exit via 3 for Taipei 101 or World Trade Center. Pero if titingnan niyo yung sign doon, ang nakalagay, number 4, yung Taipei 101. So, mas accurate pa rin talaga when you're looking out for the signs.
Ito ata yung escalator trend.
Lumabas na tayo ng Taipei 101 station. So, yan na siya. Pero, hanap muna tayo ng photo spots na medyo malayo para kita yung buong building. Goers, if you wanted to take a picture with Taipei 101 and ayaw nyo na masyadong lumayo, dito kayo kay Jimmy's Moonwalk. So I think it's decent enough. Tawid na tayo ulit. Pasok tayo kay Taipei 101. So dito yung observatory ticket counter and entrance sa 4th floor. Dito na tayo sa 4th floor. Aakyat ulit pa observatory. Per adult. So let's try yung kiosk when purchasing tickets. So queuing time for elevator is 15 to 20 minutes. Current visibility 50 to 70% kasi medyo cloudy today. Pero visible naman nung nasa labas tayo kanina. So we're from the Philippines and din lang siguro tayo sa 89th floor. Since apat tayo, apat. Next, choose your entry time. Anong oras na ba ngayon? Time check, 4:52. So, magpa-5 na din. Ito, 17. Or baka kailangan natin ng 5:30 kasi may queuing pa. Doon na lang kami sa pila kasi medyo nakakalito yung yung time. Baka kapag 5 o'clock yung pinili namin, hindi na makapasok kasi 4:52 na. And kapag 5:30 naman, baka matagal pa. So, dito na lang tayo pumila. We got our tickets. And ang total for 4 persons is $2,400. May photo spot doon, the usual. Then, optional naman yan upon exit if gusto i-avail.
Yes, I know, right?
We just got out from the elevator. So, si Taipei 101, yung elevator niya was manufactured by Toshiba. And it was the fastest elevator during the time of its completion. Pero ngayon ata, hindi na siya yung fastest elevator. So, ito yung view. Yan. View from Taipei 101, 89th floor. Taipei 101 is the 11th tallest building in the world. It was actually the tallest building, but it was dethroned by Burj Khalifa in 2009. So, yun yung Taipei Dome. Ayan, Taipei Dome. Gumagalaw tong Taipei 101. Nararamdaman mo na gumagalaw siya. Pero hindi naman nakakahilo. Pero baka depende sa tolerance. May photo spot dito. Ayan, Taipei 101. Sa pila tayo. May mga exhibit din dito. damper goers. Pang stabilize siya ng itong building for earthquakes, strong typhoons. Dito rin sa Taipei 101 yung fireworks every New Year's Eve. Pinupuntahan siya. May countdown. Itong mga vouchers na nakuha natin kanina, parang may $100 off kapag nag-purchase ng around $500 pataas dun sa cafe. So, yan siya. Exit na tayo. Dito na tayo sa 88th floor. Nakakita rin pala dito yung damper. Okay, pila na tayo.
Later is going down. 请到你参ります。已经耳朵的不适。Please follow to equalize your pressure. 耳が痛くなりました。방문해 주셔서 감사합니다.
It took us 45 seconds to go down from 88th floor to level 4. Okay, let's exit. Time check, 5:42. So, may babaan ba dito? Meron silang food court dito sa B1. For namin level 4, pupunta tayo dun sa B1 para sa food court. Hello! Bilang tayo sa B1 food court. So, let's look for something to eat. Siguro dinner na natin. Si Mami tsaka si Papa, they ordered ipudo. Share lang sila dito sa ramen tsaka sa perhaps chicken ata ito. So, kami naman magtitingin. So, kami ang in-order namin yung tonkatsu. Ilalagay ko na lang sa baba yung mga price ng mga in-order namin. Then, meron kasing Starbucks voucher. So, in-avail din namin. Pero honestly, kung i-convert into peso, parang hindi rin naman nakatipid. Pero, tinry lang natin yung mga voucher. Nakalabas na tayo ng Ximen Station. So this is how Ximending looks at night. Balik na tayong hotel, hindi pa tayo nag-check-in.
This will be the price.
Pay at the property.
Okay.
Okay.
Then no problem. Please sign it here. And one more thing, please write down your email.
Okay.
This will be the room key,
Alright.
and this is for breakfast. Will be at second floor, 7
Okay.
a.m. to 10 a.m. And 27 will be the 2, 28,
Okay.
29, 30.
Alright.
And same
For, okay, 78.
28, 29, and 30.
Alright.
Yep. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello goers, nakapag-check-in na tayo. Time check 8:13 p.m. So yung room natin is on the 10th floor. So 2 rooms, 1008 and 1010. Pakit na tayo sa room. Oops! Sumasara. Ito yung room nila Mami, 1008 sa 10th floor. So, need to insert yung ganito doon para mag-on yung lights. So, ito yung router, may table dito, then may TV, may ref din. Yan. Tapos, may chair, windows, then the bed, telephone. Tapos anong view dito? Check natin. Parang wala. Parang kabilang building. Hindi masyado kita, pero kabilang building. Tapos, nandito yung bathroom. So, may konting cabinet dito. Slippers. Then, bathtub with shower. Pero meron namang curtain para sarado siya. May kasama ding shampoo and bath gel, tissue, walang bidet, and itong sink with hand soap. Okay, so dun tayo sa kabilang room. Okay, punta naman tayo na sa room namin. Pahiwalay din pala. I requested na magkatabi pero if hindi possible, wala man tayo magagawa. Okay, so this is the other room. Pagpasok, andito yung CR. Diyan yung sink. Meron ding hand soap ba to? Hand wash. And then, ayoko pumasok, naka-rubber shoes pa kasi ako. Same bathtub with shower, with shampoo and body wash, with curtain para hindi magbasa. And, andito yung parang closet. Yan, may hanger, may hair dryer, 2 slippers. There's a fridge. And then we have the TV. And then, dito yung desk. Hello. So, it comes with parang electric heater, 2 bottles of water, tapos 2 mug. May mga pa-coffee sila dyan. So, if you would like to change your bed linen, please kindly place this card on the bed. So, merong mga saksakan dito. Tapos, nandito yung parang mini table with a chair. Tapos, yung bedside table with telephone, more outlets. Then, mamaya tingnan natin yung view doon pag nakasarado na yung mga ilaw. So, yeah, basically, ito yung room natin for 4 nights.
So, add ko lang pala, goers, since we decided on this trip, parang mga less than 2 weeks na lang. So, late na rin namin na-book yung hotel. So, lalagay ko dito yung price sa baba, pero in peso, around 60,000 siya for 2 rooms and 4 nights each. So, mura na din, pero mas makakamura talaga tayo if we book early. Sa case kasi namin, we booked parang 10 days na lang before the trip, kaya mahal. Pero yung mga ganitong price, usually pag binook nyo, mga 4-star hotel na yun. So this Ferrari hotel is actually a 3-star hotel. Pero we decided to stay here kasi may breakfast. And I think for us, breakfast is really an important decision when booking hotels because hindi na kami mahirapan kung saan kakain and added cost pa kasi yun. And for its price na around 60,000 for 2 rooms and 4 nights each, I think okay na rin yun, na may breakfast na. So, tomorrow, explore natin sa second floor kung ano yung breakfast options nila. Maluwag naman yung room. So, ganito yung naging pwesto namin. Ito yung luggage ko. Then yung luggage ni Hobbs. Then, isa ko pang luggage. Tapos, yeah, yun. Maluwag yung room, so makakapaglatag kayo kahit malalaking mga bagahe. Tapos, meron sila dito options. So, meron kayong do not disturb or please clean the room. So, you can request naman daily housekeeping or otherwise, ilagay nyo to sa labas, do not disturb. And then, ito yung floor plan. So, always check yung evacuation directions. So, our room is 1010. Yan yung route natin pa exit. So, either there or there.
Thank you everyone for coming and going with us on our first day dito sa Taipei, Taiwan. And tomorrow will be our second day. Sama ulit kayo sa vlog. Pupunta tayo. So, nag-book tayo ng Klook tour doon. Yelyu, Shifen, and Jufen tour with the Golden Waterfall. So, yun muna. That's it for today. And again, thank you. See you tomorrow. Good night. Thank you. Bye-bye.